Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Siti Aisyah.
I'm Nabila binti Mazin from EC22064A.
And today me and my friends are going to design a natural water purification system using three materials, which is cotton, charcoal and sand. Okay, firstly, we cut the bottom of the bottle and then we make 3 holes so that the water can flow from here. The cotton pad inside the bottle. After that, we measure 6 centimeter at the bottle. We pour the charcoal inside the bottle until it has reached the marked line. Okay, after the charcoal has been inserted into the bottle, we measure another 6 centimeter on the bottle. Then we put the sand into the bottle. Okay, after we have done putting the charcoal and the sand into the bottle, we can now hang the bottle on this rod.
As you have seen on how to prepare this natural water purification system, now let's continue to see the result on effectiveness of using this natural water purification system with 6 cm depth. At the end of the test, we will compare the result before and after purification on 3 factors, which are turbidity, color, and temperature. So, let's see how it works.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Faiza Adrina and this is my friend Fatin Arifah. We are going to construct a simple water purification system for the second design. So this is the material that we use for constructing the water purification system. First of all, we need cotton, charcoal, and then sand, and lastly, water sample. First of all, we need to cut the bottom of the plastic bottle using a scissor. The purpose of it is just to fill the material inside the bottle. After that, we need to attach a rope to the plastic bottle so that we can hang it on a rope later. In order to make it easy for us, we have to divide and label the bottle into 3 sections, where the first layer consists of 3 cm of cottons, second layer is 7 cm of crushed charcoal, and the last layer is 7 cm of sand. The first layer, we need to put the cotton with depth of 3 cm inside the bottle. After we have put the cotton, the second layer of 7 cm of crushed charcoal are filled inside the bottle. Lastly, the third layer of 7 cm of sand are filled inside the bottle. After we have set up the apparatus, we need to test the temperature first. And then, we just need to pour the water sample into the bottle. Lastly, we need to test the temperature again to compare with the initial temperature. Finally, this is the result for the second design of the water purification system. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ainatul-Fatima binti Makmurozi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the water purification system like this one. So let's get started. That's all from us. Thank you.